How to permanently delete a deleted photo on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete deleted photos permanently on Instagram. Well, it's pretty simple and easy. If you delete a particular post or a picture on Instagram here, so I'll just head into it and tap on delete, and if I just delete it, you can see that it says it'll take up to 30 days to be deleted permanently. So up to 30 days you'll still be able to view it and recover it. However, if you want to delete it permanently, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right, then scroll down here, and under how you use Instagram, head to your activity, tap on recently deleted, and you should be able to view your recently deleted picture here. Tap on it. Now tap on three dots above the post, and you should be able to see delete again option here. Tap on delete, and if you delete this post, you won't be able to restore it, which means you'll be deleting it permanently. Tap on delete and you'll be able to do so. This is how you can delete a deleted photos permanently in Instagram. Hope this helped you to like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.